What's up, guys? You know it, this is your boy Tyree. Another Doordash vlog, and heading to my first drive right now. I had this drive yesterday, so I'm back at it again. I want you guys to take a big guess where I'm having my first drive. Boston Market, right behind me. So Boston Market, check this out. Yep, 27. So if I'm on time, plus 2, and then $3 setup fee, like, you know, charge it, add on. So got complete. That means I have to take a photo of the setup. So where I have to set it up in their location, in their office, whether it's a kitchen or anything like that, I have to set it up and I'm good to go. So I'll be alright. So let me get right into this. Hope you guys are doing great. If you're not already, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. And this is locked. I don't know what's going on. I got it. Drive order, catering. They locked the door. I don't know what's going on. They locking doors now? All right. Let's see what's up. Hey, how you doing? I have a catering order. How you doing this morning? All right, let me show you right now. It is, Lisa. Yeah.
I'm doing the proteins. Most of the sides are done.
All right, great. Thank you so much.
You can sit down and let you know.
Oh, thank you. Whew. So just sit down, relax on these comfortable chairs. I got so far today, guys. I have 2 drive orders. Now I got my headset back. I couldn't find my headset, so I got my headset back. So it's even great. Good. So comfortable chilling. So this should be ready within the next 10 to 20 minutes. I give it 20 minutes, give it 2. So hopefully this ready. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. Peace out. What's up, guys? Just left from the restaurant a few minutes ago. I'm about to hop on to the 6 train right now, heading all the way up to 60-something street. So saving energy, preserving energy, working smart, not hard. So about to hop onto this train, make things happen. So guys, train is here. So guys, stay tuned. I see you guys. Peace out. What's up, guys, man? Just drop it off right behind me. Easy peasy. And the train was right down the block. I can't complain. So I got another order. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that other drive because someone snatched it on. I would have had 3 drives for today. But still on for 2 drives right now. Still on for 2 drives. So I'm about to head to the west side real quick. Got about a 10-minute ride. Be there about 10 minutes. So this order is a regular order from Doordash.
Right onto Madison Avenue.
Yep, 950. All right, so I'm heading towards this drop-off, pickup. I'm saying drop-off, pickup. Heading towards the pickup right now. This guys are moving so freaking darn slow. Jeez. Oh gosh. All right, guys. So let me get right into it. Make things happen like I always do. And stay tuned. See you guys at the restaurant. Peace. This sucks. This really sucks, man. You know, DoorDash gotta pay more attention to this. I'm at the restaurant. It's 11 something. I'm gonna show you guys as the pickup is for 11:28. I'm gonna show you the hours of operation. Let me flip the camera real quick. Look at this. The hours of operation. They want me to they set an order for pickup for 11:28. And look at the time right now. 4 o'clock. They open at 4 o'clock. Crazy, right? Order, I will be getting half a guarantee pay. I got additional route order. You can check it out. $7.50. So let me get right to it and take care of business with DoorDash and let them know the situation. Knock those orders out, drop it off. Can't complain, man. So What's good, man? Easy, man. Rich guy was good, man. He was happy he got his food. But man, I'm making things happen, making movements. So I don't have my next drive till later, and I'll be heading to Brooklyn.
Turn right onto Columbus
Brooklyn,
Avenue.
here we come. So guys, stay tuned. I see you guys in the next couple of hours. Peace.
2 hours later.
What's up, guys? On my second drive to check how much I'm getting. Is at Beyond Sushi. Pretty decent. The reason why I switched Beyond Sushi than I was supposed to go to Brooklyn. I'm in Queens. It's much closer and it's much more money. So this is $25 plus the $4 extra pay. You know, close to almost $30. It's about $29 and some change. Okay. The Brooklyn one was about $18 plus 2, and it was so far out. So this is more closer to New York. Long Island City is like over the bridge from New York City. So I'm about to I've been here before many times, so I'm about to hit back up here again. And let me see who's the order. It is Chef Bill. All right, this is for the chef. All right, let's get right into this video, guys. All right, hold on, give me a second. It's like a dungeon here, man. You come to Beyond Sushi in Queens. Look at this. There's a freaking dungeon in this place. Oh my God. So, I'm about to leave. Over here. Get things going. Make sure everything is good. Everything is right. Hello, how you doing? I'm here to pick up for Chef Bill. Doordash, the catering. You guys know me from before, right? I've been here before many times. You know, so I don't know if you guys recognize me. So everybody's in the zone right now. People are just doing their work, doing their thing, making it happen. So, you know who's supposed to be helping me out? You gonna take care of me? Huh? The pickup is the next 5 more minutes. No, you crazy? $3.50. Nah, I gotta drop the order at 4:30. I gotta head back to Manhattan in traffic. Yeah, it's only like 5 more minutes. So it'll be ready, what, in 5 minutes, amigo? 5? All right, man. So it should be ready in the next. All right, man. I'll be back in 5. All right, 5 minutes. All right. Let's see if it's ready in 5. So, guys. This guy's crazy. He said, oh, you gotta pick it up for. I'm like, you crazy? That has to be dropped by 4:30. So stay tuned, guys. Should be ready in 5. Peace out.
5 minutes later.
Man, back at it again. Let's see. It's 5 minutes has passed by. And I'll see if my order is ready. Let's see. Hold on. You ready for me? Which one? Show me. Oh, right here? Oh, okay. Thank you. You was right on time, man. 5 minutes, man. You're a man of your word, man. Guy's a man in his word right there, right? Oh, sorry about that, man. Man in his word. So let me get right to it, guys. I got 3 trays, man. And plus, I got to load this up. So let me get right into it. This guy was man of his word. And let's stay tuned. I'm about to head my way to New York. So stay tuned and peace out. What's up, guys, man? Completed the order. Completed the second drive. Now, good news, I got my 3rd drive for today. I just snatched it just now, right after when I had to drop it off. I got the notification and I snatched it. Sorry about that. I get those telemarketers calls, always calling me, man, nagging me. So, I just completed it. I'm really happy that I completed it right on time before the 4:30 mark, and I dropped it off around 4:22. Easy peasy, man. I took the train, so I can't complain. I have to ride across town, took the train. I was relaxed. I just ride down the block, drop it off in there, this building, brown building right behind me, and I'm good. And I'm able to get a third drive, and that third drive doesn't start till the next hour. So I'm good. So guys, stay tuned, and see you on the third drive. Peace out. What's up, guys? How you guys are doing? This is your boy Tyree. I'm on my third drive for the day, number 3, and this is the last drive for this evening. So I'm going to this spot right here, 122. I've been here before. There's a kosher spot. It's a Jewish where they serve kosher food. So let's get right into this. To check how much I'm getting right now. Not bad. So let's get right into this video. Let's see who's the client. This is for PK Food. I delivered to them before. Just good. Hello, how you doing? I have a pickup restaurant. Okay, how you doing today? Good? All right. Making things happen. So I gotta pick up at the restaurant. So I gotta leave this stuff here real quick. So, see if the order is ready. How you doing? All right? So making things happen. It's good. Hey, how you doing? PK Food, Doordash, catering. All right. Yes. Hopefully this order is ready, man. I gotta drop this off at a certain time. Oh, sit down? Yeah. Okay, great. The order should be ready, so another 10 minutes it should be ready, 10, 15 minutes, and I'll be good. So I'll keep you guys updated and posted, so stay tuned. Peace out. What's up, guys? Just picked up the order. New York, man. Another issue again with this app, man. I don't know what's going on with DoorDash, man. On my last drive order, I'm having issues. I couldn't even confirm to pick up the order, man. I had to call support to tell them to confirm my pickup. Now I may have to tell them to confirm my drop-off. So, I don't know, man. I really don't know what DoorDash is going on with this app, man. I have strong internet connection. I don't know. I really don't know, man. To tell you guys the truth. Still making it happen, though. It's not too far from where I have to drop it off, right on 5th Avenue. I dropped it to them before. This is my second time dropping food off to them. PK Food. So we got to make it happen. Let's do this. There's heavy traffic. So guys, stay tuned. I'll let you guys know the update if they fix it or not, or update it or something like that. So me, I gotta go. Cars is behind me. So guys, stay tuned. Peace out. What's up, guys? So what I had to do, I had to restart my whole phone. Once I restarted my whole phone, everything worked back smoothly. Just dropped off the drive order. Now I got another order, regular order. You can check it out. City Eats, $12. So let's get right into it, guys. So let me make this money. So I see you guys at the restaurant. Yes, it's nighttime. Different type of riding out here in these city streets and making it happen and making this moolah. So guys, stay tuned. Peace out, guys. Just arrived to City Eats in the building. All right, let me check the client who's there. Morton. Hey, how you doing, man? I'm here to pick up a Morton P DoorDash. 2 to 5 minutes? Cool. So 2 to 5 minutes should be ready. So let's get it. Should be ready in 5 minutes. So See you guys in 5 minutes. Keep you updated on the food if the food is ready or not in 5. So stay tuned. Peace out, guys. Just left from the restaurant. The guy was a man of his word. It was literally ready in 5 minutes, which is very good. So I'm about to head to, let me see where I'm heading to. I gotta go to 70-something Street real quick. I'm trying to figure out, there's a lot of traffic going on right now as we speak. Sorry about that. There's a lot of traffic going on in the city streets, man. So let's do this. Then I gotta make a right and head down First Avenue for a bike path. I don't like to be on the sidewalk. Too many folks, too many people on the sidewalk. So let me head down First Ave. And it's Janice. So let me get this money, make it happen. So guys, stay tuned. Should be there in the next 10 minutes. So stay tuned. Peace out. What's up, guys? Just finished my delivery, man. About to call this a night. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.